how to download a design on Canva as JPG on PC. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Canva, log into your account. Now choose your design. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now if you want to download it as JPG, all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner, click on share, and now go down and click on download right here, as you can see. Now go to the file type, click on it, click on file type and choose JPG right here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.